Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. So at first go to Instagram and now go to settings, tap account center, and from here tap your information and permissions, and then you will get the downloading option. So from here tap download your information and then tap request. Now select your account and then select types of information. Now from here select messages and then tap next and send your download request. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.